Hey, second grade. Hope you're having an awesome Thursday today. It is the last day of school before Christmas break, so that's exciting. Let's get started with some math. Okay, I have some number sentences here for you. And I want you to work these out at your home. So if you need to grab a piece of paper and a pencil or a dry erase board, you can do that now. Press pause and work these problems. Okay, let's check your work. So the first one was 2 plus 3 plus 5. So to solve this, you may have said, oh, look, there's a double plus 1. So 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 1 more is 5. And then you may have added 5 plus 5, and that equals 10. Or you may have solved it like this. You may have said, I see there's a hidden double here. In between 3 and 5 comes 4. So 4 plus 4 is 8. And then add 2 more. 8 plus 2, making 10 fact. 8 plus 2 is 10. So either way that you solved that problem, you should have gotten 10. Let's look at our next number sentence. 7 plus 9 plus 1 equals... I saw 2 different ways that I could have solved this. The first one here, I could have said, 7 and 9, there's only one number in between them, and that is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. Or you may have said 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. So either way that you solved that, you should have gotten 17. Did you get 10 and 17? All right. We have a few word problems that we're going to work through together today. So here is the first one. Dalton made 77 Christmas cards. He gave out 60 of the cards. How many Christmas cards does Dalton have now? Okay, so thinking about this problem, do we need to add or subtract? If this boy has 77 Christmas cards and he gives out 60 of them, if he's giving out cards, is he adding to what he has or taking away? If he's giving out cards, he's taking away, right? So we're going to need to subtract. 77 minus 60. Okay, so at your house, I want you to press pause and solve this problem. All right, let's check your work. So we have 77 minus 60. Look at your ones place. What is 7 minus 0? 7 minus 0 is 7. And then look at your tens place. 7 take away 6. What is 7 take away 6? 7 minus 6 is 1. So your answer is 17. How many Christmas cards does Dalton have now? He has 17. Okay, let's look at our next problem. Here it is. Okay, Ripley has 21 gifts to give. She wrapped 14 of the gifts in snowflake paper. She wrapped the rest of the gifts in polka dot paper. How many gifts did Ripley wrap with polka dot paper? Okay, so she started with 21 gifts. And out of the 21 gifts, 14 were in snowflake paper, and the rest were in polka dot paper. So if I need to kind of see what this is looking like here, let me make this a little bit bigger. I could draw out a little strip diagram. So I know total there are 21 gifts. And out of those 21 gifts, 14 of them are snowflake paper gifts. And the rest are polka dots, but we don't know how many are polka dots. So that's what we're trying to solve. How many of the 21 were polka dots? So when we have a whole and we have one part, to solve the other part, we're going to have to subtract. So we need to do 21 take away 14. All right, look at our tens place first. Well, it won't stay. There we go. What is 1 minus 4? If we have 1, can we take away 4? No, so we're going to need to go to the tens place. We're going to take one of these tens and break it into 10 ones. So if I have 2 tens and take 1 away, I'm left with 1 10 now. And now I'm going to take that 10 that I borrowed and break it into 10 ones for the ones place. So what is 10 plus this 1? 10 plus the 1 is 11. So now let's do 11 take away 4. 11 minus 4. We've got 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. 11 minus 4 is 7. And then in the tens place, we have 1 take away 1. What is 1 minus 1? 1 minus 1 is just 0. So how many gifts, how many of the gifts did Ripley wrap in polka dot paper? She wrapped 7 in polka dot paper. All right, so 7 is our answer. We have one more problem to solve. Dawn has 15 icicle ornaments and 26 star ornaments. How many ornaments does Dawn have total? Okay, is this a problem that we're going to need to add or subtract? So if it's asking for us how many ornaments does Dawn have total, if we're asking for total, that means we need to add, right? Because total means all together. So he has 15 icicle ornaments and 26 star ornaments. We want to know how many there are total. Okay, so 15 plus 26. Let's add our ones place first. What is 5 plus 6? Well, I see and I know 5 and 6 are right next to each other, so I can use the double plus 1 strategy to help me solve this. So what is 5 plus 5? 5 plus 5 is 10. Add one more, 11. So 5 plus 6 is 11. So with 11, it's a 2-digit number. I cannot write both digits in the ones place. I write the digit that is in the ones place in the ones place, and I take the other digit that's in the tens place next door to the tens place. Now I add. 1 plus 1 is 2, and then 2 plus 2 is 4. So your answer should have been 41. How many ornaments does Dawn have total? He has 41 ornaments. How'd you do on that one? Hopefully you're starting to get it down. All right, guys. Well, that is all that we have for today. I hope you have an awesome break, and we'll see you next time. Bye.